Hello, I'm Andy Siders, and I'm with Big Red Locksmiths, and this is our how-to series. We have customers every day bring us key fobs that work intermittently. Today's how-to video is going to show you how you can save money. Today's how-to video, we are going to need some basic screwdrivers and an eraser. And this tip will work on a variety of remotes. I will demonstrate. Okay. Today's tip is very simple. This remote does not have a screw. It has a slot. Simply take a screwdriver and twist, and you'll see where this shell will pop open. Once you pull it apart, remove the board and the pad and separate them. And you will see that there is kind of a sludgy film on this board. Simply take an eraser and scrub the board. If you look at your eraser, you will see that there's quite a bit of gunk on there, and that takes care of that issue for the board. You don't want to forget to do the pad. Same thing here. You clean these contacts up, reassemble it, and give that a try. It doesn't always work, but probably 8 out of 10 times that'll solve a problem with an intermittent remote. If you need mobile service or just have a general locksmith question, please call 402-554-0499. Thank you and have a great day. I want to take a moment and thank you for watching our video series. I hope they have been helpful.